Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, in this video, I want to uh, explain about the question dump in the certification CCNA. This have a many question to answer, and this answer is have right answer and incorrect answer, correct answer and incorrect. Okay, let's go to question number one. Yes. Okay. Question number one is the main question is which of the following function uh, is a primary responsibility in data link layer on OSI model of the OSI model on okay is have four question uh, I have four answer. One is providing end-to-end data encryption. B is determining of the best routing path beds on the IP address, and C is managing the physical transmission of data over cable or wireless, and D is providing physical MAC address like a MAC address and detection the error on the frame or in the frame. Okay, the right answer is D because D is work in layer 2 in data link layer 2 is responsibility for the physical layer or physical MAC addressing like a MAC address and detection the error in the frame before to the send. And A is wrong because the encryption end-to-end encryption is handled or like hanger layers like that. And B is wrong because it's path that that's path route or path determination beds on IP address is have job to layer 3 or network layer 3. And C is transmission to this up like manage the transmission physics uh, bit transmission physics managing the transmission physics is on the medium responsibility of layer 1 is a physical layer. Okay, go to question number 2. This question number 2 is we want to divided this network 192.168.1.0/24 into several subnet that can accommodate a maximum host per subnet, which the subnet mask in the most efficient in use is A is slash number 25, B is slash 26, C is slash 27, and the last is slash 28. The correct answer is C. Why? Because C is a mask and in slash 27 is provide the 2 pangkat 5 minus 2 equals 3 to use in the host per subnet is most efficient and practice. Why A, B, and D wrong? Because is A is in the mass 25 is provide 126 hosts per subnet is not efficient. B like question like answer A because it's less 26 and here it provide 62 hosts per subnet is still too wasteful. And D is mass 28 is not enough to use because it have a provide for 14 hosts per subnet is not enough to accommodate 30 subnet 30 hosts, sorry, and go to question 3. A router receive packet from IP destination list 10.1.3.5 in following the routes in the routing table. Here which route will to select the router select A, B, and C or D. Okay, A is a 10.1.0.0/60, B is 10.1.3.0/24, C is 10.1.3.0/28, and D is 0.0.0.0/0. The correct answer is C because C is he used the longest prefix match principle to the and the subnet is 28 prefix 28 is specifically is must include this IP. Okay, why A, B, and D wrong? Because A and B is although they encompass destination IP, their prefix match is shorter than other. D is wrong because that's the default route, and this no is only selected is no specific match routes exist in the routing table. Okay. Question number 4 is how many how wait what the is the default administrative distance default for static route in configuration next up like this. Okay, this A0, B1, C is 90, and D is 110. The correct answer B because B uh, is a default in the Cisco US for the AD or administration distance for 1 to the static route. A is wrong because AD0 is reserved to directly connect network, directly connected in the network. C and D is wrong because AD in 90 is a default value in AGRP internal, and D is default in OSPF. Question number 5. What a function? The primary function in spanning tree to in reduce in redundancy switch network. Okay, A, B, and C, D. A is a combination multiple physical link into the logical link to introduce and increase bandwidth. B is preventing layer 2 loops by logical blocking redundancy. And C is providing automatic encryption for the encryption to the traffic between switch. And D is performing to load balancing on the layer 3. The right answer is B. Why? Because B is detection STP loop in the layer 2 topologies, and logically is block the specific port to prevent broadcast storm. A is wrong because it's described enter channel, not STP. C and D wrong because it's STP doesn't handle the encryption or layer 3 load balancing. Okay. Question number six is which of the following command is used to verify the operation, personal status of routes at a value and metric of routing protocol. Okay. In Cisco router, so A is show interface, B is also IP route, C show IP protocol, D show startup config. This correct answer is B because B is that show IP route for display to display complete IP routing. Yeah, complete IP routing and include the route, administration, distance, metric, net swap, like that. A is wrong because it's display the physical and the protocol in the interface. C wrong because this display is active routing protocol is not routing table. And D is wrong because this display must display configuration in NVRAM. Okay, question number 7 is when configuration root static floating static root, sorry, when configuration floating static root, what uh, adjustment must to be made the configuration. A is configure it with AD is administration distance for lower than primary root. B is configure in the administration distance is hangers uh, than the primary root, and C is use the multicast IP address to the next hop as the next hop. D is enable routing OSPF to the dynamic routing, include and backups the interface. The right answer is B because B is assigning a hanger AD than primary root AD and primary root AD1. This backup root will only active only place in the routing table if the primary is down or files to give the routing table or like the roots is file, the primary is file, and this change with the this this backup. A A is wrong because it's like the AD is the lower will become the root, the primary root. C and D is wrong because C is must uh, is wait, this doesn't use or require the IP multicast or OSPF. Okay. In question number 8 is a switch receive destination MAC address that is not present. It's a MAC address table. Okay. What the action will the switch take is A is drop the frame intermediately. B is plot the frame to out port and accept the port on the which was received. C is send the ICMP error message to back the sender. D is store the frame in the buffer indefinitely until the address is regulated. This correct answer is B because B is a process the unknown Nicke's flooding, and the switch forward the frame out to all port in the VLAN in the same VLAN to locate the destination MAC address owner. ACND is wrong because is the switch will not drop the frame. It's a send layer 3 IP message or store in infinitely. Question number 9 is what wait which of the following IP versi 4 address range uh, is specifically allocated to a private IP based on RFC 1980. A 11 11.0.0.0 to 11.255.255.255. B is 172.72.86 17 17 16.0.0 to 172.31.255.255. C is 192.92.168.0.0 to 192.169.255.255. T is 224.0.0.0 to 239.255.255. The right answer is B because this B is official class. This is official class in P in standard RFC 6080. A, C, and D wrong because is A is IP public, C is class C uh, private class C, but it's not to 169 is IP public too, and class D is multicast range multicast. Okay, go to question number 10 is which the protocol in use to map now IP address to the physical MAC address on the local network. Is A is DHCP, B is DNS, C RP, D is ICMP. This right answer is C because RP or address resolution protocol is resolve a target device like the physical MAC address based on the IP is a no IP address in based on the no IP address. A is DHCP is share share or automatically is assigned IP address to client, or B is resolve the white name into the IP address. D is use ICMP to like a definition and control message. Okay, go to question number 11. This is what is a primary difference between the data transmission using TCP and UDP protocol. Okay, A is a TCP. Does doesn't require the handshake process, whereas UDP does. B is TCP provide reliable data delivery with reliable sequence and knowledge, whereas UDP doesn't not. You see UDP operate at layer 3, whereas the TCP operate at layer 4 of the OC model. D is a TCP transmission data much faster than UDP protocol. This answer is correct is B because B is a TCP TCP is connect oriented ensuring data arrived via sequence number and knowledge are ACK and UDP is connectionless to is focus to the delivery confirmation. So best effort not which not confirmation. C is wrong because the both protocol operate in layer 4 is a transfer layer. D is wrong because UDP is faster because less overhead of connection and found in the TCP. Question number 12. What is a primary goal of creating the VLAN or virtual local area network in the architecture suite? Okay, this A is connecting to the local network wirelessly over long distance. B is breaking a single physical layer. Sorry, for physical broadcast domain into the multiple logical broadcast domain. C is replacing the function of IP address at the network layer. D is increasing the internal clock of speed in the switch hardware. The correct answer is B because B is a VLAN isolate the broadcast traffic. Uh, so logically on the same physical suite which improve network security and performance. Is perform. ACD is wrong because the VLAN doesn't handle wireless signal like uh, like a layer 3 with a IP address or hardware clock modification. Question number 13 is which um, OSPF packet this OSPF packet type in use to send the routing topology update links that advertisement to the neighbor root. So A hello packet, B is DBD is database definition, C is link that requires, D is link that update LSU. Is a right answer is D because D is LSU is a link state update is a package wrap and carry LSA to official distribute detailed uh, detailed topology on and update into the neighbor, update route into the neighbor. And wrong question, A wrong because it's a hello packet and this discovery and maintains the neighbor. B is incorrect because DBD is a packet content summaries or index 2 of the link state database. C wrong because LSR packet required detailed is information specific route. Okay. go to the question number 84, 18, 14, sorry, 14. The which sweet port must be the configuration to carry the traffic from multiple VLAN across to the single physical link to the another switch. A is access port, B is port, trunk port, C is router port, D is dynamic access port. Is correct answer is B because B is a transport to use the encapsulation like EAAA 802.1Q for to the identify the VLAN of each frame, so allowing the traffic from multiple VLANs to traverse a single link. Okay. A is wrong because is the access port is only carry uh, for one VLAN or single VLAN to the client or PC. C and D wrong because the mods is not support the VLAN between switch. Okay. Question number 15 is which the interVLAN routing method to utilize a single uh, physical route interface divide into multiple logical suite multiple sub interface for converse the physical port. A is router on stick, B is switch virtual interface SVI, C is traditional interface VLAN routing, D is international routing. Is a correct answer is A because A is a routing on stick is a use logical sub interface like explains is gigabit 0/0.10 or gigabit 0/0.20 is a combined with the trunking over a single cable to connect it, the router to the switch. B is wrong because it's SPI. SPI configuration in the switch layer 3 is multiple switch and is not router external, router physical external. C is wrong because the traditional routing requires to one physical interface uh, per VLAN and this must think they have a port. D is wrong because it's ether channel is used to link parallel link to bandwidth and redundancy for the bandwidth and redundancy. Okay, go to question number 16. Which the following the technologies used in the standard industry standard open standard uh, this is a protocol use dynamically negotiate to the perform to the formation the ether channel. Okay. So A is a PGP, B is ACP, D is DTB, T is PTP. Is correct answer is B, LHCP, because LHCP or link aggregation control protocol is uh, definitely is under in the EAA 802.3 AD is making a cross of vendor to compatible. A is wrong because is PAGP is a Cisco proprietary. C is DTB wrong because is a DTB negotiation trunking between switch not ether channel. D is wrong because PTP use synchronous to the VLAN database across switch. Okay, yes. Question number 16. if we configure the static root in IPv6, uh, and this command is iproot 2001 db8 asset slash 64 is a gigabit ethernet 0.0/0 both of type the static root have to create is a fully specified traffic route, B is directly attached static route, C is resource side static route, and D is a floating static route. What the correct answer is B, because B is a route only is the only route defines to the exit interface is without next hop is called to the directly attached to the static route. A is wrong because it's fully specified is most requires to boot exit interface and next hop IP address to start it together. Okay. C is wrong because recursive recursive is uh, specifies only the use in the next of IP address without the exit interface. D is supporting is requires to modify to default AD parameter of at the end of the command. Okay. In question number 18 is what the most provide the summaries IPv6 for root following address 2001 DPA 1111 and slash 84 64 to 101 DBA 1114 slash 64. So what's with the correct answer in the A, B, C, and D is the wrong answer because uh, uh, I explain we're gonna to converting this hectare values 3 hectare values to 111 1112 1113 and 1114 to into binary. So reinforce that matching leftmost bit stop precisely at the 44 bit position. Here we can see 1111 is a 0001 and just 1114 is 001 and 0100. Therefore, the most accurate sum is perfect converging this entire continuous range is prefix 44 subnet written as 2001 dba 1110 slash 44. This B is wrong answer. This right answer. Yeah. Question number 90 is which of the type of the access control is ACL can filter network traffic based on sources uh, IP address, IP destination, and the specific port number. Okay. This A is standard XL, B is extended ACL, C is name standard ACL, D is reflective ACL. This the correct answer is B because B is extend ACL is numbering is 100 to 199, or is called the named extended, is over granular inspection, the IP address, IP destination, protocol TCP/UDP, and the port number like 80 or 443. A and C wrong because this the standard ACL is are limited to checking the source IP address, and this wrong because it's reflective ACL is dynamically is trace outbound the traffic to allow the inbound replies. Okay, and the last question is 20 is what which the feature which the security features is restrict of the number of the algorithmic address on the single physical port to mitigate make flooding attack. So is DHCP stopping, B is dynamic RP, DI, C is port security, D is the BDPU guard. Is the answer is C, port security, because port security is lock the switch port to specifically MAC address, and this limit the total count of a MAC address to allow the port connection to connect the interface. Okay, A is wrong because the DHCP stopping is a block unauthorized ring the DHCP surface. B is incorrect because DAE validation packet RP, local RP, for prevent RP snooping. D is wrong because DPDU BPDU guard is disabled the access port in STP is unexpected to the STP BPDU is a packet and receive. Okay, now that's all about uh, uh, the explain about this question. One question number one to question 20, and that's all the correct and correct answer and to explain that. Okay, thank you for watching this, this video. So, that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.